Welcome in the year 3000. China stands as a breathtaking fusion of ancient heritage and unimaginable technological evolution. Cities stretch beyond the clouds, markets float in the sky, and life flows through layers of architecture that rise like mountains of glass, metal, and light. Today, we journey through these living worlds, the markets, the temples, the sky bridges, and the floating plazas, where tradition and innovation breathe as one. At ground level, the city pulses with energy. This is the mega street market district, a place where millions pass through each day. Holographic signs shimmer above vendor stalls. Floating retail pods drift gently overhead. HGI humanoid robots walk beside humans, guiding shoppers, carrying goods, and translating languages in real time. Delivery drones weave between sky bridges, dropping packages with flawless precision. Crowds interact with glowing AR menus, sampling food, clothing, and technology before ever touching it. Here, commerce is alive, adaptive, intelligent, and endlessly evolving. Above the streets, the city expands into the sky. Transparent sky bridges stretch between towers like strands of light. People walk hundreds of meters above the ground, surrounded by holographic billboards and floating kiosks. Autonomous pods glide along elevated lanes, carrying passengers between districts in seconds. From here, the scale of the city becomes clear, a vertical world where every level is a new ecosystem of markets, gardens, and plazas. Yet even in the year 3000, tradition remains sacred. This is the temple market, where ancient architecture meets luminous technology. Red lanterns glow with holographic light. A digital dragon spirals above the temple roof, its body made of shimmering particles. Robotic chefs prepare traditional dishes with plasma cooktops. HGI robots assist elders, offering guidance and carrying offerings. A glowing Buddha projection floats above the courtyard, symbolizing harmony between past and future. Here, culture is not preserved, it is reborn. This is China in the year 3000. A civilization that honors its past while embracing the unimaginable. A world where markets float in the sky, temples glow with holographic life, and technology enhances every moment. A world built not just upward, but forward. A world alive with possibility. As we leave this future behind, one truth remains. Humanity's greatest power is its ability to dream, and to build those dreams into reality. Mobility has evolved beyond imagination. Flying pods, hovercrafts, and sky shuttles weave through the skyline in perfect harmony. Autonomous smart cars glide below, seamlessly integrated with aerial traffic. Focus on Milled Tower as central hub. Floating platforms with docking stations. Drone follows pods weaving between towers.